This was really good. It's super simple. This is really cool.
What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Jess Nichole here. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little morning skincare routine. I literally just woke up. But I want to test out this new product that I got. It is the Revo Face Genie. It's for like anti-aging, lifting, firming, acne, inflammation, etc., etc. It has like a red light, a purple light, and a blue light, if I'm not mistaken. So I wanted to make just a quick video of just trying this little gadget out. But first things first, I have to do my skincare. So I got my facial steamer going. So first thing I do in my skincare routine is I steam my face. Like so. I did just wake up, so bear with me. This is literally me, real, raw, no makeup, fresh face. And usually when I steam my face, I like to put a towel over my head and then I put the steamer over it. But just for like video purposes, I'm going to do it like this. But yeah, I like to steam my face to start the day, to start my morning, my skincare routine, because it's good for opening up the pores, getting some circulation in the face, you know. Skincare girly here. But yeah, my hair, this is just woke up hair and everything. But I wanted to walk you guys through my entire skincare routine. Well, not really my entire skincare routine, but I just wanted to at least get my face washed. And I figured I would do it on camera, so I'm letting my face get steamed. I don't know if you guys can even see the steam, but I feel it. That's why I'm moving my head like side to side, so it doesn't burn one side of my face. But if you guys do not have a facial steamer, definitely invest in one. I will add this to my Amazon storefront, and I will actually tag the link below, as well to this Face Genie. That as well, but make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, at the Jess Nichole, and my fitness page at Just Right Fitness. If you guys are interested in one-on-one coaching for the girlies looking to grow their booty, I help women grow a booty and lose fat in just 90 days. So also check the link in bio, justrightcoaching.com. Click that link, sign up, and I will reach out to you and do a consultation. And subscribe to the channel. Sign up for my online coaching. Check me out on Instagram. Check me out on TikTok at the Jess Nichole. My face is getting nice and steamed. The bottom of it is red now, so I can tell that there's a lot of blood circulating. It's good. And now that I have steamed my face, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with a cleanser. So I like to turn on some hot water. I'll go ahead and put this steamer out. You obviously can use whatever cleanser works for you and your skin. I'm not here to recommend products. I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. But I'm gonna wash my face with this Luzern cleansing jelly. This is like Swedish skincare. This is really expensive. It's like $80 for this cleanser. So I'm gonna wash my face. So I wet my face. And then I do like to massage my cleanser in for a good few minutes, because I feel like it's a waste if you just put it on and wash it right off. So really massaging the skin and going in upward motion. You know, everything with skincare is up.
A few minutes later.
All right, now that I have washed and cleansed my skin, pat dry. Make sure you pat, do not rub. Because when you rub, you're pulling at the skin, and pulling at the skin causes wrinkles. Don't know if you guys knew that. Let me actually put a headband on. I probably should have started this off with this on, but it's all good. My bangs keep getting in the way. Like Minnie Mouse. So yeah, patting dry the skin. You can see my face is a little red still from the steamer. Pat it all the way dry. And then once I have my skin dry, I like to go in with the eye cream. So I'm using the Luzern Eye Contour Cream. So always use your ring finger. At least I learned this when I was younger. And I like to use my ring finger because I say this is the softest finger or whatever, like the most gentle finger. So just gently getting around my entire eyeball. Almost crow's feet, keeping the eyes moisturized and hydrated. Gonna do the same thing here.
A few minutes later.
Now that I have gotten my eye cream on my eyes, I go in with this serum. This is a firming collagen booster. I like to put this underneath my moisturizer because it really soaks into the skin and locks everything in. So make sure you're using your serums, guys. Rub that all into the face so my skin can get that boost of collagen that it needs. After I do the collagen booster, I like to go in with my moisturizer, which I'm using the Luzern Cream Luxe. This is all like the same brand, the same Switzerland skincare brand. But this is just what I'm currently using right now, and I use it all the time. But I went on a trip, and they were selling this at the hotel that I stayed at the spa. So I just got some goodies. And stuff has lasted me almost a year. So it is really expensive, but it lasts a very long time. Okay, so now I got my eye cream on. I put my collagen booster on. I put my moisturizer on. I'm now going to put on jojoba oil so that this thing can glide easier. So this is just jojoba oil that I bought a big bottle and I put it into this little droppers. So I'm gonna oil up my face. Some of it out on my chest. Okay. Now we are in business. You get the eyes and everything. Okay, so I tried to use this. So this is my first time using this thing. The Revo Face Genie. I have to use a manual because I haven't used it yet. I want to make sure I use it right. So it looks like it has a curved massage head right here. LED lights. This is the on button right here. I think you can see where it says tighten, soothe, and brighten. I love that it tells you like which thing is, because I can't remember. Like I know red light is for like tightening and firming. So you turn on. Okay. Oh, this is the gear intensity level in the battery. Okay. Okay, but it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. It looks like you just to apply your skincare, turn on the device to choose the suitable mode and gear. I don't know if how do you know which gear it's in? Okay. Well, you turn it on and it has these little lights that come on when you turn it on, like that. So I think you just... Now is it on? Turn on the device to choose the suitable mode and gear. Apply the massage head to face and neck and move it from... It will beep. Oh, this is cool. It beeps every minute to remind you to change a different part of your face. So you do one part of your face for a whole minute. And then, okay, cool beans. Oh, it says you can do it on your neck too. So I'm actually gonna put some oil on my neck so we can contour the neck. Gonna oil it up and shiny. Let's see. Okay, am I using this wrong? I feel like I'm doing. Okay, you gotta hold it. Now it's on red light. And it's vibrate. It's right here. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it has a vibration to it along with the red light. So I'll just do my whole neck for a minute. This is really cool because you can just do it like while you're watching TV or something. Add it to your skincare routine. Red light therapy is so good for the skin, guys. Red light is good for tightening and firming the skin and reducing fine lines. And those are just so super good for anti-aging. And we'll try out the other light too. It had a... Oh, it beeped. Okay, so that means you switch. Ooh, and it's warm too. I like to pull my face here so I can really like get a stretch in the skin and get that good contour effect. It feels really good. It feels like a warm, heated massage to your face. And this other goes for 6 minutes. So I guess I would do 6 minutes of red light. And then you could do 6 minutes of the green light. And then maybe 6 minutes of the blue light. I personally don't think I really need the blue light because it's more for like acne, bacteria, and inflammation. I guess it just depends on the day, you know, what kind of skincare you want. Right now, I just want to focus on anti-aging because all the products that I just put on are good for collagen and anti-aging. So that's what I'm focused on today. And then it says that the green light is more for brightening the skin and evening out skin tone. So that's good for like hyperpigmentation, which I don't really think I have, but it looks like I am kind of getting a little bit of hyperpigmentation on this side. Oh, it beat. So now I'm going to do my forehead. Get rid of those forehead wrinkles. I love that it's like warm too because that promotes more blood circulation. Y'all know we love blood circulation. That keeps oxygen and blood flowing for the skin, which keep us looking younger. It says red light therapy can stimulate collagen and elastin production, which improves skin firmness and elasticity. I don't really know where else to go. I guess my chin.
A few minutes later.
I bet the chin is just such a small area. I'm already done. But wow, this was really good to my face. Okay, just be setting to a switch. I'm actually gonna try because I feel like I've done my whole base, my whole neck. And it's cool because when you take it off, it stops. See, it stops. That's what it looks like. And it's really simple and it's super easy to hold. I like how it feels. It has like a matte finish to it. So just for the video purposes, let me try the other mode. Ooh, that's green light. So remember, green light is good for brightening the skin and evening out your skin tone. So this is really like the same process, just different light therapies do different things. So this is probably great for summer when you guys are in the sun a lot and your skin is getting darker and it's not tanning evenly. Green light is good for evening out the skin tone. And then we're going to try the blue light. Now we're going to try the blue light. Yeah. Blue light is good for acne, bacteria, and inflammation on the skin. So again, same process, just different lights for different purposes. And it does say that I have these little, this button is for the intensity, which I guess is at 1. So I guess you turn it up to the highest intensity. And that's just more like vibration, I feel. It's a little bit more of a vibration. This thing feels really good though. It's really good for the skin, you can tell, because it's like, it's increasing blood circulation, which in return increases collagen production. And yeah. Definitely adding this as a staple into my skincare routine now. It says blue light therapy is known as photodynamic therapy, uses specific wavelengths of blue light to target and destroy abnormal skin cells, effectively treating acne and sun damage. So this was my first time using it. That's why I'm like reading the manual because I want to make sure I use it right. But it's super simple, really self-explanatory, if you will. Definitely will be adding this to my skincare routine. You guys can check the link down below. Okay, yeah, so that was my review of the Revo Face Genie tool. 10/10 recommend, in case you guys want a close up.
If you're a skincare girly and you're looking to add something new to your skincare routine, I would totally recommend this. I'll actually put the link to this down below in the description box. You guys can use this link, and I believe it's 30% off on the link. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you're interested in online coaching, be sure to check that link down below. I'm going to put everything in the description box below. And yeah, if you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, feel free to drop a comment and I respond to all my comments. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.